They say the second time around is better than the first time around. Well, hopefully that's true. After you watch this review today, hopefully it can change your mind about purchasing Rev 9 coilovers. Hope you can purchase some too and get out there and modify your car and get it to the stance you want. But today I'm doing an all exclusive Rev 9 review on the coilovers. Hope you guys enjoy this video. And like always, if you're new to the channel, sit back and enjoy. hope you guys enjoyed that little POV of me driving on the new coilovers for the Rev 9s. So guys, I'm gonna give the coilovers an 8 out of 10 just because it still has room for improvement, and also it's on the lower end side of a good quality coilover. It could be a little bit better in some areas and some aspects, but how the way it is right now, I'm totally accepting it because I like the Rev 9 coilovers because I use them as my daily driving machine. Now, if I was going to the track, I will definitely upgrade coilovers, but right now, just for a daily, I'm taking the Rev 9, hands down, because they're affordable. I got these Rev 9 coilovers under $500. $500, you can't even beat that. $500, okay? So, if you're looking to purchase these Rev 9 coilovers, get them, install them, and drive. You will love them, you know what I'm saying? I'm a big fan of supporting small brand companies. I really don't know how big Hyperstreet is, but it's not really known like the other coilovers out there. So guys, you're looking to build on a budget and you need some coilovers very, very quick and something in your price range, choose the Rev 9 coilovers on your Honda Civic, SI, your regular Honda Civic. Guys, this is my second time installing these coilovers. Second time installing these coilovers. So make sure you get these coilovers, guys. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Before I end this video, we're gonna do a little walk around of the car with the coilover just one more time for you guys to get you guys prepared so you can go to that and open that next tab up and buy these coilovers, guys. So let's go do that and then I'll close the video. I'll give you guys one good look at these Rev 9 coilovers, how the way it looks from a distance and also up close. I love how my fitment is. You know, I can do a little bit better, but I'm using it as a daily, guys. I'm not about to slam it and put stretch tires on there when I gotta get around. I live in Georgia. If you know Georgia roads, hey, trust me, this setup will be fine for you too. Yes, guys, please get you some Rev 9 coilovers. I promise you won't regret it. You won't regret it. Okay, guys, I promise you'll love these coilovers. They drive comfortable. You can't even tell the difference from a regular stock height suspension and Rev 9 coilover suspension. You can't tell the difference on the road at all. You cannot, I promise you. If you want these coilovers, go get them. I'll put them in the description below. If you need it for the 8th gen owners out there, I know you guys still asking about the 8th gen coilovers, Rev 9s. I'll put that in the description below too because I love you guys. But yes, guys, this is the new look, and yes, these are new coilovers. Rides great. Told you, recommended 8 out of 10. That's all I gotta say. Alright guys, so this is where I'm gonna end today's video. I was going to end it outside, but man, it's too hot out there to do anything right now. I just want to get back in the car and chill in some AC. But yes guys, this is where we'll end today's video. If you like this channel, if you like what I'm doing to this car, hit the subscribe button below. Also guys, give me a big thumbs up. And also hit the comment section and tell me if you have Rev 9 coilovers or if you're going to buy some Rev 9 coilovers. Let your boy know you have any problems, any complications. I'm here. You can DM me, like, just DM me. You know what I'm saying? I will always help to answer any question you have on coilovers or anything else pertaining to your car. But yes guys, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I'm out of here for the day. If you are new to the channel, please go back and rewatch some of my videos. If you've been a long time subscriber, you know the saying, legit is out.